There's a lot of really great, really knowledgeable people at Waupaca, and a lot of genuine people, a lot of hardworking people.
They set it for me for real life experience, so they give me hands-on experience with whatever I do now. They give me real work.
I get to go on the floor and actually pour the metal. It's more of a fast-paced, fun environment.
I got to work with suppliers, see how the supply chains work. It was something new for me. Got to experience to work with the other plant metallurgists.
Everyone's nice and you can always ask for help.
They really care about the safety, maintenance, all intern, on everybody.
I think my favorite part is I get to see, like in real life, the stuff that I design on the computer, and it's pretty cool to see the application of that.
This is the best internship I've had so far because they let you work on your own.
Don't overlook it. Take it for granted. Don't waste it because you're going to learn a lot.
I learned every single part of the foundry is put it together to produce a casting and how everything works to have a final product.
I'm really glad that I've learned a lot. I learned how to weld, and because I didn't know anything about welding whenever I first came here. And it's nice that I get a bigger opportunity to learn doing this than just in school. I like that a lot.
Just keep an open mind and be studious. Just try to soak it all in.
I had a really good mentoring experience.
I like the people I work with a lot. It makes it a lot better. It makes it easier to come into work every day, knowing that you got people to laugh, joke around with, and work with. It helps out a lot.
It's really important to have internship programs that have hands-on stuff, not only do paperwork, but to put things that you learn into college into a daily practice and day-by-day experience.
I like it a lot. I think it's a great place to work.